In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PrintFriendly to Chrome. If you've ever tried to print a web page and ended up with ads, sidebars, and wasted paper, this quick guide is for you. PrintFriendly is a simple Chrome extension that cleans up pages so you can print only what matters or save a neat PDF for later. I'll walk you through installing it, making it easy to find, and using it to get clean, focused results every time. First, open the Chrome Web Store. The easiest way is to type Chrome Web Store into your address bar and hit enter. Once you're there, use the search box and type PrintFriendly. You can also search the web for PrintFriendly Chrome extension and follow the link to the official listing. On the extension page, you'll see details about what it does and screenshots showing how it looks. This helps confirm you're installing the correct tool. Next, add it to your browser. On the official PrintFriendly extension page, click the Add to Chrome button. A small prompt will appear asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension. Chrome will handle the rest, and within a few seconds you'll get a brief confirmation that the extension has been installed. You might notice a small icon appear near the top right of your browser. That's the extension ready to use. To keep it handy, pin it to your toolbar. Click the puzzle piece icon in Chrome to open your extensions menu. Find PrintFriendly in the list and click the small pin icon. Pinning keeps the PrintFriendly button visible next to your address bar, so you don't have to open the menu every time. You can unpin it the same way if you ever want to tidy up your toolbar. Now let's use it. Visit any web page you'd like to print or save. Click the PrintFriendly icon. The page will open in a clean preview, automatically removing clutter like ads and navigation. From here, you can refine what stays on the page by deleting elements you don't need, remove images, extra sections, or stray bits of text with a click. When it looks right, choose to print or save as a PDF. Printing sends it to your normal printer dialog, and saving as a PDF is great for archiving receipts, articles, or travel details. That's it. With just a minute of setup, you'll get cleaner prints, smaller files, and less frustration. Thanks for watching, and enjoy tidier pages with PrintFriendly in Chrome.